What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and trust me, today's video is an absolute banger. If you've been waiting for a 5G phone that packs a serious punch without completely destroying your wallet, your prayers have just been answered. Samsung is officially bringing back their legendary J series from the dead with a massive upgrade. Enter the star of the show, the Samsung Galaxy J10 Prime 5G. Now, this phone is already taking social media by storm way before its launch. The leaks are out, the specs are wild, and today, we're tearing it all down. From the design and powerhouse specs to the price and launch date, we're covering it all. So go ahead, smash that like button right now, and let's dive in. Design and display. The first thing that's gonna make you do a double take is the screen. Look, Samsung is the undisputed king of displays, and this phone is here to prove it all over again. We're talking about a massive, gorgeous 6.75-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. AMOLED means you're getting those deep, inky blacks and colors so vibrant they practically pop out of the screen. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix or doom-scrolling on TikTok, it's going to look incredibly premium. But wait, it gets better. For all my gamers out there, we're getting a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're dropping into PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile, every frame is gonna feel flawless. Add in a 360Hz touch sampling rate, and your input lag is basically zero. They've also slapped on Corning Gorilla Glass armor for that extra drop protection, plus a super snappy in-display fingerprint sensor to keep things secure. Camera setup. Now let's talk about the feature that's really gonna crown this phone the budget king, the cameras. Rocking a quad camera setup on the back at this price point is absolutely insane. The main shooter is a 50-megapixel beast, and yes, it comes with OIS. Day or night, this sensor is going to pull in some serious detail. Backing that up is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide so you can actually fit the whole squad in the shot, an 8-megapixel wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor for those crazy close-up shots of flower petals or bugs. And for the selfie lovers, you get a massive 32-megapixel front-facing camera. It's so crisp, people are gonna be in your comments asking what you shot it on. Performance and processor. Under the hood, driving all your gaming and multitasking, is Samsung's brand new Exynos 1480 chipset. This is the kind of silicon that can handle high-end games without breaking a sweat or turning your hands into toast. And the real kicker, this phone is rumored to launch right out of the box with the latest Android 16, skinned with Samsung's One UI 8.5. That means you are future-proofed and getting the absolute latest software features for years to come. Battery life. Now, with all these heavy-hitting specs, you're probably thinking you'll need to hug a wall outlet twice a day, right? Nope. Samsung crammed a massive 5500 mAh battery into this thing. Wake up, go to work or school, game in the evening, watch a movie at night, this battery is going to outlast you. And when you finally do need to plug it in, it supports 45-watt super fast charging. Literally, go make a cup of coffee, come back, and your phone is juiced up and ready to go. Price and launch date. Alright, the moment of truth. What's the damage to your wallet, and when can you get it? According to the leaks, this phone is not going to break the bank. Based on the rumored pricing, we're looking at a starting price around $230 to $250. Yes, you heard that right, an absolute killer budget 5G phone for under $300. As for the launch window, expect this to drop towards the end of the year, right around December 2026. It's basically going to be the ultimate holiday gift. So, guys, is the Galaxy J10 Prime 5G going to be your next daily driver? Let me know down in the comments below.